When summer temperatures rise, keeping your home cool becomes a daily challenge. In places where extreme heat is common, windows play a major role in how comfortable and efficient a home feels. For homeowners in Austin, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce heat gain, lower cooling costs, and maintain indoor comfort during even the hottest months. Why windows matter in hot weather. Windows are one of the largest sources of heat entering a home. Older windows often allow sunlight and outdoor heat to pass through easily, causing indoor temperatures to rise quickly. This forces air conditioning systems to work harder and run longer, increasing energy bills. In Austin homes, where intense heat is a regular concern, inefficient windows can make cooling the home more difficult and expensive than it needs to be. How energy-efficient windows reduce heat gain. Energy-efficient windows are designed to limit the amount of heat that enters the home. Advanced glass technology reflects solar heat while still allowing natural light inside. This reduces the impact of direct sunlight and helps maintain more stable indoor temperatures. For Austin homeowners, this means rooms stay cooler even during peak afternoon heat, reducing reliance on constant air conditioning. Improved insulation for consistent comfort. In addition to specialized glass, energy-efficient windows feature insulated frames and multiple panes. These components work together to create a barrier against outdoor heat. In Austin homes, improved insulation helps prevent warm air from entering and keeps cooled air inside, making living spaces more comfortable throughout the day and night. Lower cooling costs and energy savings. By reducing heat transfer, energy-efficient windows decrease the workload on cooling systems. When air conditioning doesn't have to run as often or as long, energy consumption drops. For Austin homeowners, this translates into lower utility bills during hot seasons and long-term savings over time. Reducing hot spots and uneven temperatures. Older windows often cause hot spots near window areas, making certain rooms uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows help distribute indoor temperatures more evenly by blocking excessive heat. In Austin homes, this creates a more consistent and pleasant living environment across all rooms. Enhanced UV protection for interiors. Energy-efficient windows also block harmful ultraviolet rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. This added protection helps preserve interior finishes and reduces sun-related damage. Austin homeowners benefit from longer-lasting interiors while still enjoying bright, sunlit spaces. Supporting a quieter, more comfortable home. Energy-efficient windows often provide improved sound insulation as well. Multi-pane glass and tight seals help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In busy Austin neighborhoods, this adds another layer of comfort and peace of mind. Long-term value and home performance. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment that improves overall home performance. In addition to cooling benefits, they enhance comfort year-round and increase property value. For Austin homeowners, upgrading windows delivers lasting returns through energy savings, improved comfort, and better indoor quality. A cooler, more efficient home in Austin. Extreme heat doesn't have to mean uncomfortable living or high energy bills. Energy-efficient windows help Austin homes stay cooler by reducing heat gain, improving insulation, and supporting efficient cooling. By upgrading to modern windows, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective home, even during the hottest days of the year.